In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM can't connect to server. So first, go to CMD, run as administrator. Type ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig/DNS. And then next winsock reset. After that, you can close this down. Then go to control panel. And then network and sharing, this PC, then properties. Over here, click internet protocol version and then properties, and then here, then 888888844, and then press OK. Then press OK again, and then close this down. Now check if this is an error that has to do with the server. So you can go here and type is FiveM down. So if it's down, you will be able to tell from here. You might see a spike, and if that's the case, just wait and it will automatically fix itself.